Imagine a world where the simple act of looking at something changes its very nature, where particles can pop in and out of existence in the blink of an eye, and where time itself might not be the steady river we perceive. This isn't science fiction. This is the quantum reality, a hidden fundamental layer of existence that governs everything in our universe. But first, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button down below to stay up to date on any new videos. It really means a lot to us. All right, let's get back to it. Get ready, because today we're going to pull back the curtain and unravel some of the cosmos's deepest and most mind-bending secrets. Think about everything you believe is solid and real. The chair you're sitting on, the screen you're watching, even the air you're breathing. Now, what if I told you that at their most fundamental level, none of these things are quite as they seem? This journey into the quantum realm begins by questioning the very ground beneath our feet. We're about to explore a world so strange and wonderful, it will challenge your perception of reality itself. Are you prepared for what we might find? In our everyday world, things follow predictable rules. If you drop a ball, it falls. But when you zoom down, way down to the scale of atoms and electrons, those familiar rules break down completely. This is where we encounter one of the most bizarre and foundational concepts in all of science: wave-particle duality. Imagine a single entity like a particle of light or an electron, behaving sometimes like a solid little ball and other times like a spread-out wave. It's not one or the other, it's somehow both at the same time. This revolutionary idea, born in the early 20th century, completely shattered our classical understanding of what stuff is even made of. It's the first major leap down the quantum rabbit hole. Now, let's get even weirder. What if I told you that reality waits for you to look at it before it decides what to be? This is the essence of the observer effect in quantum mechanics. Before observation, a particle can exist in a cloud of multiple possibilities, a state called superposition. But the moment it's measured or observed, this cloud of potential collapses into one single definite reality. The famous thought experiment, Schrödinger's cat, illustrates this perfectly. A cat in a box is simultaneously considered both alive and dead until the box is opened and its state is observed. This raises unsettling questions about objective reality. Does anything truly exist in a definite state if no one is looking? Some interpretations, like the many worlds theory, suggest that every quantum measurement doesn't just pick one outcome. It splits the entire universe into parallel realities, one for each possible result. Think about that. A near infinite number of yous, living out the consequences of every quantum choice. If that hasn't stretched your brain enough, let's talk about what Einstein famously called spooky action at a distance. This is quantum entanglement. Imagine you have two particles that are intrinsically linked. You can separate them by miles or even light years across the vastness of space. The instant you measure a property of one particle, like its spin, you instantly know the corresponding property of its partner. It's as if they are communicating faster than the speed of light, a connection that defies our classical understanding of space and time. This isn't just a bizarre theoretical idea anymore. Scientists are now harnessing this spooky action to develop revolutionary technologies, from unhackable quantum communication networks to the next generation of super-powerful quantum computers. The future is being built on this strange, instantaneous connection. So, if the universe is so bizarrely fluid and probabilistic at its smallest scales, how do we end up with the solid, stable, and predictable world we experience every day? How does the quantum weirdness build up to form a concrete reality? This is one of the biggest unanswered questions in physics. It forces us to confront profound philosophical ideas. Does our consciousness play a fundamental role in shaping reality, as some pioneers of quantum theory speculated? Or is the classical world we see just an emergent property, a large-scale illusion born from countless quantum interactions? We don't have all the answers yet, but exploring these questions leaves us with a profound sense of awe. The universe is far stranger, more interconnected, and more mysterious than we could ever have imagined. And the quest to understand it has only just begun. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the quantum realm. If you enjoyed having your mind bent, please hit that like and subscribe button for more deep dives into the mysteries of our universe. And until next time, always keep looking up.